Everyone, it's Miss Brenner. I hope you are all doing well and staying happy and healthy. This is our agenda video for January 3rd, 2022. While I am away, I would like you guys to complete all the assignments in this folder. For the beginning of class, I'd like you to silently read for 15 minutes and then to log your silent reading in our silent reading tracking sheet. And then there is a folder of assignments that have to do with a different form of apocalypse that we have not looked at yet. We're going to talk a little bit about a nuclear apocalypse since we have been focusing mostly on an environmental style apocalypse. We're going to look at the understanding of how many nukes it would take to end humanity. We then have a short story called Flash Crash with reading questions and an apocalyptic reading reflection that asks you to make some comparisons between a nuclear style apocalyptic literature and a piece of environmental apocalyptic literature. Along with that, please check your grades. If you are missing anything, maybe you forgot to submit your project from before break, please make sure that you do those things. I haven't been feeling the best the past couple days, so I have not graded anything over break, but when I get back, I will make sure to get your grades updated. So use this as an opportunity to get ahead, get your assignments turned in if you are missing anything. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys on Tuesday. Bye.